All right, hello. How's everyone doing? Welcome to my video, guys. So as I streamed on Monday, I'll be posting another video, analysis video and updates today to just show you guys how markets are going now. So we last when we spoke, we were somewhere trading around here, and then on the lower time frame, we went down there. We kind of did this, and then it just continued to shank. Somewhere here, we were expecting longs after it liquidated this level. After it swing failed this level, I was doing the longs here, but it didn't go as well as I would have planned, and we got stopped out here. So that's pretty normal in trading. It's not something to worry about. So right now, it's a very key pivotal level to me, if you ask. So if we're looking at the markets, from a trading perspective, it's a very key point because if you look at it here, this level has been key since February. We formed this low on February and we haven't gotten a single close below it. So earlier in the June, we got this down here. We got a swing failure and then we pushed up, but we did not go higher than this or this or this, the other key levels, the key swing points, which you can see for the market structure point of view, as we are continuously forming uh, bearish market structure, So this, and then this, and then this, and then this. So this keeps shifting, and then here, and then here, and then now here. So even though this is holding up, this has been support here, here, and now to yesterday overnight also it's been holding. But the bounces are not as strong as we would like them to be. So this and then this also, like here, right here, it came down and then it did not go higher than this point. So it's an indication of how the market is right now at the moment. We're in a bearish market structure. So something you want to see right now. Let's see, what do we want to see here? So on the daily time frame, obviously, it's liquidated this. If I go to MMT, if I go to coin market class, so if I look at the liquidation history, so we had a lot of in the last 24 hours, we've had about some liquidations. I don't think this is it. It's this only. So yesterday, yeah, we had about a lot of long liquidations from the long side, but it's not as strong as some of the past as the June one. This liquidation right here was obviously a lot stronger than the one we had today. It's 800 million, so it's okay. I mean, it's there, right? But it's not so significant. This was obviously 1.5 bill, so that was much more significant. So the liquidity is drying up below these lows. I mean, if we do get a close below this, the next place we're obviously going to travel is right down to here. It's this structure which had been holding up this entire bull market range in 2024. But also it's this key low, and then after that we had this. Um, but yeah. So the trading plan from here should look something like this. You want to see a break in market structure. So this has happened. So what you want to see is this high being liquidated or one of these highs being taken out for a long confirmation. If this goes, if we come in and we get this, a daily close above these levels, then you will obviously look to go long on the pullback of on the retest of this order block here. On the H4, you can probably refine it a bit, this, you can probably refine it down to this one. You want to see it come back and trade into this and then retest, and then you obviously go long here and the retest of this with a current swing low, and then you can look to trade it up into 74s and some of these levels, right? But till then, till we are in a bearish market structure, you don't want to see these kinds of trades. Long is not the play. I mean, if you're going long in a bear market, you're skewing the odds against yourself. So you want to see something like, ideally this holds. So you want to see it come in. Either this holds or this one holds. You can never be sure, right? So you want to watch the price action at this level and at this level. These are the two levels. If we see rejection from here, you can see this being here. This is a bit aggressive, but if you see it come in here and then it get rejects and then we go short. So you want to see shorts around here. You want to see rejection, like this kind of rejection on the H4. This kind, what else? These kinds of, this one. Some kind of projection you want to see on this. Otherwise, we're going to travel a little bit higher, come back here, and then we might go lower. But yeah, I think this is pretty much it. Like, um, it has to go from here. It has to break this and this high. If these highs don't go, then we're gonna look in, we're gonna come in here and then, trade below this. Once it's closed below this, you have a nicer confirmation for shorts. You can then obviously short the breakout and then trade below. But till now, for long sides, I'll just give you a quick recap. For long sides, you want to see the break of this structure. You want to see the break of this structure. And then depending on the pullback, either you go long here into this, or you get long here into this. Otherwise, if we don't get close above this, then these plans don't hold. We're not looking for longs. We're looking for shorts from there. Then we're looking for shorts. These are our short references. Unless these flip, we're going short. Yeah, so that'll be all for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Do let me know